students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So let's see question number 14. A fair coin is tossed once. Find the probability of getting heads. So probability of getting heads is equals to number of times or total number of favorable outcome. Total number of favorable outcome for heads divided by total number of possible outcome. So if the coin is tossed, we will either get heads or we will either get tails. So probability of finding heads means total number of favorable outcome for heads. So total number of times we are getting heads. So we are getting heads only once. And total number of possible outcomes. So possible outcome is head and tail both. So total number is 2. So probability of getting heads will be 1/2. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.